Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 5th of January 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So, this is the second trading day of 2016. Thank you so much for viewing our channel and subscribing to our video here. So, the market closed in negative territory today. Why did it close in negative territory? Well, Apple was the main cause today of the market being in negative territory. Basically, Apple dragged down the markets today, and so although we had a good recovery from yesterday's big disaster with the Chinese data that we had. Apple still was able to bring it down. So what we had with the recovery yesterday. So remember yesterday we had a big alert, a big trade alert that really if the Chinese markets were to break the lows that it had yesterday, that we could be really looking for a major downside risk in the Chinese market and also too in North America. But we also said alternatively that if the Chinese market did not break the lows, that we could actually be looking at the bottom of the U.S. markets. So what did we have today? Well, surprisingly, or not surprisingly, what we had was basically the Chinese government recognizing what all of us share, all the analysts and money managers in North America was seeing what's happening with the Chinese market. And they step in, and the People's Bank of China invested $20 billion in the financial markets today. Right? So one thing I have to say about the Chinese regulatory system is that they are very proactive. We saw them in the summer last year when they had the major problems with their market. They right away acted and put stimulus in the markets, and this is what they did again today. So we have to commend the Chinese government for being so proactive in stepping in right away to make sure that we don't have the major downside risk that we were talking about yesterday, and really stabilizing the markets there in China. And there was a massive rally then because of it. But it's only Apple that really dragged down the markets, and is the reason why we ended up in negative territory today. So what we had today was the Dow Jones was down 86.84 points today to close at 17,062.1, and the S&P 500 was down 5.71 points to close at 2006.95. So what we should add though is that is what we had at the close. But very good news is that right now, which is after the close, we have the markets in positive territory. So if you remember yesterday, I say that if the Chinese market don't break the lows that it had yesterday, that we could possibly be seeing the bottom in the US market. So we want to really alert investors to this, that after the trading close, we are in positive territory, really signaling that we are probably seeing the bottom of the US market, which is very good news for investors worldwide, because the US market is the leader for all investment markets worldwide. So we could be seeing some very, very good things here in 2016. All right, so stay tuned. We'd really bring the news for you, breaking news for you tomorrow. And we would be breaking down the markets for you and giving you the best trades as they come, okay? So this is Daryl for the DE Market Summary. Have a good day.